Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
What's up? Me and Miss Thing today we're playing hooky and we're having a girls' day out. She actually had an appointment, so we decided to just spend the day with you guys. What's up? I am exhausted. We are just out here. Oh boy, I'm already out of breath. I've been running up and down. Our girl needs to get out more and play ball like she used to. So it's just me, Mario, and Rissa. The other two are home. Faith's talking about she has stomach ache, so she's home. So we're just out here holding a vibes, playing some ball. Come on, Rissa. Oh, Rissa! Oh, yes. Sorry, I did not end up vlogging all day. Your girl was busy doing some stuff, and yeah, we had a few running around to do, so I just didn't even end up vlogging because there was no point. But trying to get the last bit in of the warm weather. Woo-hoo, look at that. No! Guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. We are just here chilling. It's the weekend, not doing much. Well, I guess I'm doing much. I'm just here, just your girl's doing schoolwork. I know I'm just hiding from, I guess, outside just kind of looks ishy. It's not 100 outside. It's just been kind of crazy weather. Yeah, we got hail this weekend, like this week. That was so crazy. It just woke up, it was raining, and then it started hailing like crazy, and then the sun came out and it was shining. Like, this weather is so bipolar. But yeah, we are just here chilling, not doing much for the weekend. Sorry I didn't upload a vlog the other day, guys. Your girl, I just been, since they've been back to school, just been focusing and getting that done. I just didn't want to vlog if I'm not doing anything because your girl don't want to bore y'all. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe and share, and yeah, leave a comment in the comment below. Let us know what videos that you guys do want to see. We are willing to do any sit down videos if you guys want to see more of those. You can let us know. As I tell you, sometimes there's not that much to really do, and I'm a homebody and my hubby's a homebody too, so we generally sit in, and the time is getting cold, so we don't go out as much, and he's busy with work and everything else, and so sometimes, yeah, I just don't want to be doing vlogs if I'm just home, I'm cooking and I'm cleaning. But if you guys want to see a cleaning vlog, I can do that. Right now, we just got a lot going on behind the scenes that I am dealing with. We might release some of those information to you guys. We have some things in the works that we are doing. There was some goals that we had set for ourselves at the beginning of this year that we are still trying to achieve. So we'll definitely let you guys know. But right now the guys are out to get their haircuts, so it's just me and the girls that are home. Well, this one just finished showering, and this one's of course over there. Over there.
Dying, Mommy.
Your phone's dying.
Laptop.
Okay. So that is what we are up to. I know your girl's looking like a hot mess because I'm home, so don't mind the look. I'm gonna go get all nice and spiffy up. We're actually heading out to a party soon. So the guys went to go get their haircut, so we're about to, sorry. Yeah, so the guys went to get a haircut. So they went to go get all spiff it up and grab some stuff. We are about to start getting dressed soon and get things together. I'm just here just trying to finish one of my assignments to send it off. so I can have that done and out the way. So that is what I've been actually doing here from day. So it hasn't been too busy. So that is what I've been doing. You see how these kids, look what they do, live on gadgets, even though I'm on one. But I'm on my gadget because of school. That's different. You guys are just on your gadget for the sake of on your gadget.
Mommy, this bright is really bright.
So yeah, that is what we're doing. We're about to head out to a party. So you guys can stay tuned for that when we get dressed and head out. So well, you know, the weather has already changed. So but yeah, that's about it. So when we're getting ready and we're about to leave, we will tune back in. Guys, we are ready to go, and this is your outfit for the night. I just got some sandals on, and yeah, I am ready.
What about you?
You ain't going nowhere. Sayonara.
What about me?
Okay, so yeah, your girl's ready to go. Everybody else is dressed. I just gotta finish doing some last minute touches, and I am all set to go. Guys, we have reached where we're going, so I didn't end up vlogging later on. So it's just us and the girls as usual. Memphis didn't walking. So yeah, we're here. Guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Yay! Hope you guys are having a good day. Of course, this
My mom as tall as you guys. Look.
No, she's on her tippy toe.
No, none of my tippy toes.
And plus that bun top that you have on your head.
It's a part of me.
Of course. I must be, I would say I'm shrinking in a bit. But I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified when we upload a video, guys. So yeah, we're just here, you know, it's the weekend. We're just, I don't even know what we are about to go do. We're gonna probably just head out and paint the town red for a little bit.
No, I know what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do buy Faith anything she wants today.
Oh no, it's more like buy mommy anything she wants today. I kind of like that. I
Okay,
like
what
that.
would you like first to buy?
Oh, what would I like first? For you guys to buy my dream car.
What's your dream car? Range Rover?
Oh
To buy my dream car.
Wait till
Wait, we
you're
gotta
30 years
get it.
old and then you can get it.
Mommy, we gotta wait till a couple years to get that much money to buy that rain car.
Range Rover costs a lot of money.
Oh gosh, to buy my dream car.
When I
Oh
start-
goodness.
when I start
But that's
making
okay,
my
cause your
money,
girl,
I'll
I'm building my dream home, which, well, it's not almost done, but it's getting there. Yeah, so yeah, we just been kind of MIA, just trying to
What does
get
that mean,
into the
MIA?
swing.
Everyone says
Missing
that.
in action. We've been missing in action. Ew, Faith, that's so gross. So, hello, you're gonna pop down the chair with me. Ew. So yeah, guys.
You smell
we
good.
just-
You smell like Maya's cologne.
No, it's the Victoria's Secret cologne I'm wearing. Yeah, the one that's upstairs, the new one that I got. That's what it is. Smells nice, huh? Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
And this one's it lasts as long.
I want to spend my
I know,
money.
smell. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, so, and this
this
one
one
is
I can buy a
venturing
Range
out.
Rover?
He's not really.
This cannot buy one.
I'll show you what I'll take and what I'll give you. Here, well, let me take you down.
Oh my goodness. So we are all heading out, even though we're all going in different direction. This one, guess he's going to go hang out with some friends. So we are going different. So we are finally out and rolling. Oh my gosh, this is like the last few warm days left before it gets cold. I'm already under the weather, a bit sick, but that's okay. It's okay. See, this one they brave it up. I mean, me put on sweater because me feel the cold. This one say it's not cold outside.
Today, but it cold yesterday and
What do you mean not cold today? It's a bit cold outside. It looks
Not like
deceiving because the sun's outside, so it looks so deceiving. It
look
looks like it's so warm out here, but trust me, it ain't. I need some sun and warm weather in my life. Actually, what I need is a beach. Yeah.
Hold on if my At the mall now. I'm like your friend to come pick him up.
Where your friend will gonna pick him up? All of them no bus they take. Memphis say at 2 o'clock he's supposed to meet his friends at the mall. Right? And them already there at the mall, they be upon them. Mr. Memphis, so if you go, he should have gone from how much o'clock he should have taken the bus and go. Right? Because a bunch of them they meet up and then they go shop.
No, they go look girl.
What's this on?
Eh?
If you go get some sweater, something just go wire some money to his account and he can go get him sweater and stuff. So I been teach him enough to shop and shop savvy. You know, shop because we'll take things into consideration when shopping. So hopefully he must know when to do with the money, right guys? So you teach them, all you can do is teach them. What? When you're done, you have none left. From me come out from your account and go in if you want. Whatever you do with it, that's your business.
You want flashing light to come in and stop?
Who not stop? I mean, a driver or you drive? Oh, so basically you're not gonna stop unless you see other people are stop. Yeah, you have to stop. Here we go.
What's wrong this one? Look on you. Look at
And he still gonna go drive?
No,
Wow.
30 minutes from now, okay?
Really? That is so bad.
Fire truck come down.
But where was he flying going?
I'm saying they come
Oh, look how much people behind me stop. And him just a fly. I saw him in a hurry. He must have end up in the ambulance there. Oh my god, that's so disgusting.
All in life they take away.
Of course they'll take away his license. Those stuff, that's, you know how much points he can lose for that? When you see the light on, you're supposed to automatically pull over and stop them. But him not fly like him in a yes. So yeah,
Let me see how
let's start like get him.
which himself like.
Oh gosh. So yeah, we'll be back. Oh look, they have soccer over there right now. We'll be back when we reach. My baby is gone. Oh my gosh, he's gone to the mall by himself. Huh?
We got too much baby.
He is my baby. He is my baby, but he's gone to the mall by himself. Well, he's gone to go with friends anyways, but he's never been to the mall without us. We've always been with him to the mall, but you know your kids are growing
What
up.
a wicked man, I should have just I know where I go.
You know your child is growing up, your baby is growing up when he's going to the mall by himself. So it's just us and the girls that are just heading out. We are heading elsewhere. He's gonna have to find his own way home. Before you know it, he'll be getting his license. Oh my gosh.
Then in third crash.
Hello, oh Lord. Then he's gonna be a what do you call it? NASCAR.
The license suspended.
He's gonna be a NASCAR racer car driver like his mommy. Whee! Yeah, he's gonna be a NASCAR car racer like his mother. Oh gosh! The other day, Memphis, me I dropped Memphis at school, right? And Memphis, I don't know what happened. And his friend they tell him say, you see one car, see one car fly past him when they walk and he said, and Memphis said, he asked his friend what color is the car. So he said, his friend they describe the car. He said, you know, so that was my mother driving. He's like, what? A woman? I am not drive so. He's like, I thought it was your dad that was driving. What? What do you mean? Oh. I said, he's like, yeah.
You can't know, say you have one bad, you can't imagine. You'll not pass you.
I didn't go late to school.
You didn't go late to school, you know.
Oh my gosh, he's like, my mom doesn't drive like a woman. And most people, when they see her driving, they would think that it's a man that's driving because of the way she drives. Yeah, I was thinking about driving for a professional. I do that for a living. Become a professional race car driver. Yeah. Yeah, BMs? What do you think?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah. I don't know. Me, I'm a type of woman. I love fast car and I love like speed. I don't know. Like that's just me. I've always, they call it having a heavy foot. And I just love the adrenaline, the rush. But you know, say obviously when you're driving on the road, you have to drive properly because safety comes first. But like even like go-karting, this one it was so competitive when we went go-karting. Even when we were back home, we would go competitive. He's very competitive too when it comes to that, and he loves fast car too. And when he's back home, he drives fast as well. It's just here I'm just kind of afraid.
Got one teeth already. And I see your body affect me. Well, for my record, you can't imagine.
Well, that's okay. I know how much ticketed points I've lost in my days. But hey, that wasn't even my younger days when I had my sports car. Trust me. When I had my sports car, yeah, me and this road was never good. But now I've gotten way better, and my record, my like driving record has been clean. It's been smooth and good. Just to show you how much like I like when it came to driving I was. But yeah, so we are out venturing, enjoying the deceiving somewhat weather. But you know what? We're gonna go out there and enjoy it because when snow comes, your girl might be hibernating. Because that's the time I tend to hibernate.
Me alone.
Me alone. Hello, this one's already crying. The other day when we was hailing, he was crying. He's like, what? He's like, not this already. So I know me alone. He's gonna be hibernating. Reach where we are going. Mario, babes, wait up. Let's go, Faith. Oh, it is cold. See how windy it is? She's sleeping already. Faith, hurry up.
I'm taking my gum.
Ooh, it is windy, boy. I don't know if you don't hurry up. Oh man.
Freezing out here.
You see, winter is here. It is so cold. Whew.
My eyeball.
This person can't manage their vehicle. I can't manage. Nice, eh? We are at the flea market. Going to go see what they have. Pretty? Wow. Nice.
That's why.
Yeah. See, I love fast cars like that.
And they're yellow, of course. Are you coming with us?
Right? So in here you can pretty much get about anything that you are looking for, as in clothing, shoes, socks. You come back for glasses. Shop we came to last time when they got his haircut. I don't even know where he is. There's some Mario them gonna leave us. Okay. So and yeah, so you have the phone accessory and everything. Going through, figuring out where huh? Oh, I can't look. Really? So for all your needs, belt, wallet, you know I need to get Memphis a wallet. He needs one. And some passport papers, babe. We need some passport paper things. I lost your loss. Yeah, so we're still in here, fangle-danging around. It was looking for something and he can't find it, so we're walking all around the place, just trying to figure out what we need to get. The flea market and looking for some food. Oh, here, Tasty's here. Ooh, gonna get some Tasty's patty. See, look, babe, they have it a dozen. See, they have the dozen for $14 for the box. How much do we usually get it for, like Scarborough?
So we are. They have the vegetarian patty there. They have curry chicken. The curry chicken patties. Sausage rolls. A variety of stuff. Go. You gotta feed these ones. Look at them
so
eating.
good. I'm happy now. But next 3 minutes when it's done.
I mean, where we go,
Mom,
we
it
got
tastes.
to feed them.
Mom, it tastes and it smells like heaven.
This is why usually when we go out by ourselves. We don't bring the kids them. Cause anytime we go out, the kids them always. All of them just eat.
It smells amazing.
Them just eat them, come out and ask for food. Look at this one here.
So we taste that, you know.
It tastes good.
I don't know.
Are the same tastes like Jamaica?
No.
Perhaps.
Mom, I'm just in my world.
Yeah, you're really. Oh, babes. Girl just finished eating a patty. That was good. A lie. First him bite my patty and he said, what he said? Oh, that no, it not taste good. Then he take a bigger bite and say no, it not taste good. So if something don't taste good to you,
he said that he didn't want any.
why are you gonna bite it one time? You bite it one time, you see it not taste good. And cool lotion in like, and you bite it a second time.
Make sure it's in there, bubble gum, maybe.
You lie like what after you know you have no gum in your mouth.
Yeah, well, yeah, we did that.
When?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yeah. This one in come and buy out the whole place pretty much.
I'm famous.
Money.
Okay. He could come buy out the place after. And he said he's only getting 1-2 things. And he got more than that. But
Be famous.
that's okay. So I think I don't even know where we are off to, but I will check back in.
So that means
Oh my! See that? We ain't go to shop out store. Backside Ray. Hello, so loud. You too. So this is what the madness these ones are in the back going on with.
Game for talking to Angela.
Come on, go over this.
I'm trying to
Watch it.
Mommy, look at my high score and talking to Angela. Make
Yeah.
us face.
Mirror so I can see your butt crack.
We got shop out. Ray.
Shuffle.
Give me some of that now. If I food in there.
You hear that? The greedy one there and just get food.
You just got a patty face. I'm
Quiet. You're not getting a patty. Shut up for say chat man.
Then why is the patty back there?
I will start on your
So you
patty.
get them patty and don't get me, you know.
Hello, you know you just say a shell down burger. Exactly.
You don't go to park with me?
No, I'm not going to.
Well,
No,
no,
because
sorry.
I-
Then I sell patty in the mall, so
But you
you
can't
have
ride
to be
my bike if I say
outside
no.
luck.
Huh?
Outside
You're
luck.
wait, what? You could have got me a pair
You
of
could have
what?
went through there, you know, babe.
You got yourself a pair.
You could have just cut through these things instead of go all the way down here, so go around.
Huh?
So yeah, we are heading. We're heading home now. I don't know what else we're about to do.
Mommy.
Yes.
Memphis could have got me a pair of AirPods for $15 for the iPhone 7.
Guys, we've made it home. We didn't even bother going anywhere else. Just decided to stop into the store quickly, grab some groceries, and come home. So we're home. We're just probably gonna relax. I don't even know what else we have planned for the night. I have some stuff that I've been busy that I still gotta work on, so I gotta get those done.
This work for food?
I don't know. Yeah, so that is about it.
Face.
So if we are up to anything else for the night, I will tune back in.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and